Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the pull-out test of a here. Let me replace this, make this part instance. Select this. This is the steel ribbed rebar or bar. You can see it here. This is a 3D model, full details of the steel. And if I click here on this, you can see the stress propagation during the pull-out test. See, we use a limit to have a better view, and the critical zones are the ribs here. You can see that. This is the pull-out test, and now let me replace all and remove this and click here on this. Then in this view you can see, and this is the path that the steel rebar made damage in the concrete, and this is the result. You can see the stress is too much here. Okay, see the stress. And now let me check the damage, tension damage. Here this is the tension damage, the compression damage, stiffness degradation, or displacement, or anything else. You can consider anything else. Let me replace now the steel here. Okay, see that? So we consider the displacement for all nodes of the ribbed steel bar here, but if we consider the displacement just for the outer nodes of the steel rib bar, you can see here that the formation is different. Here you can see the damage happen in the rib steel bar. Here let me use this view. You can see the engagement of the ribs of the steel and the concrete causes huge strength, and the result is this here. The steel bar is failed here. And also consider this is the ultra high performance concrete, not the typical or normal concrete, ultra high performance concrete. You can see here this happened. Also we can check the tension or compression damage here. See the tension damage. Let me remove the steel bar. Here tension damage here 93%. Okay, or compression or anything. But in the first model we have the pull-out test completely. See here, you can see. And let me use this is 6 to have a better view. You can see here this is a pull-out process. See, and the damage happened in the ultra high performance concrete. Okay, for both model we can draw the force displacement diagram. Here this is the force displacement diagram. This is the maximum capacity. After that we have decrease in capacity, and it is 0, and it means fully damaged model, and the failure completely happened here. Okay, so if you want to model the pull-out test, you will have two ways. The first way is the contact method, cohesive damage and interaction, and the second one, modeling full 3D model with all details as the ribs here. When you use these ribs, you define the engagement between ultra performance concrete and the steel bar, and you can do the pull-out test. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here. This is the tutorial. Click on title, and then you will have the geometry information, material, step, interaction, load, and then the result as figures. You can see them here. So the tutorial contains CAE, INP, English video file step by step, and the cost for that is 30 euros. Notice to this thing, this is the original tutorial. Maybe you can find some other tutorials in other website, but here this is the original video and original tutorial, and we will respond to all your questions about this if you have any problem. So you can use a PayPal account. This is the best way, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. I have another recommendation for you here, and or proposition. The Abacus full package containing more than 400 tutorials. 400. This is our 10 years experience or 1 decade or a decade experience in Abacus. You can find anything in this package, these are the titles, and there are many subtitles also. You can be a master if you use this package, and we consider all things in this package. You can see that here. It is so suitable for a student, engineer, professors, anything. If you want to write papers, you can write many papers by using our package. The cost for that is so affordable for all people. So if you want to learn Abacus deeply and be a master in simulation and modeling, contact me to this email to tell you about the purchasing process and the price. Thank you for your attention.